In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show subtasks in the Jira board. This guide is perfect for those looking to enhance their project management skills and utilize Jira more efficiently. Let's dive right in and explore the steps in detail. First things first, you want to head over to your Jira homepage. This is where you'll kick off the process of displaying those ever-important subtasks. Once you've logged in and are comfortably settled on the homepage, direct your attention to the left panel. It may seem unassuming, but this is your navigation hub, your control center, so to speak. It will guide you through this task with the ease and precision you'll soon appreciate. Look specifically for the filters option on this panel. Clicking on it will unlock a variety of filtering choices, each one key to refining your view in Jira. The idea here is to sift through the mass of information to ensure that what you work with is pertinent and immediate. Upon accessing the Filters menu, there's an important step awaiting you: selecting the All Issues view. This powerful option offers you a bird's-eye view over all tasks in your project, including those sometimes elusive subtasks that you're here to see. With the All Issues view at your fingertips, you should notice a basic selection next to JQL. If JQL feels daunting, worry not. It stands for Jira Query Language, a tool for more advanced users, but we're keeping to basics today to keep things simple and user-friendly. By clicking on Basic, you make it possible to filter and customize your view without venturing into the complexity of advanced query settings. It's like having an expert by your side, steering you through the process seamlessly. Next, it's time to zero in on your specific project. You'll do this from the Project drop-down menu. This vital step ensures that the subtasks you wish to display are directly relevant to the project in question. So, open that drop-down, choose your intended project, and prepare to delve into its specifics. Now here comes the crucial part. Look out for the Type drop-down menu. This is where you'll define the kind of issues you're most interested in. Make sure to choose subtasks from the list of available options. By doing this, you instruct Jira to narrow its focus onto subtasks within your chosen project, filtering out distractions that aren't relevant to your query. Once you've specified subtask, take a moment to review your board. You should now see a clear, organized view of all subtasks within your selected project, neatly displayed and ready for your analysis. This kind of precision helps you manage work items more effectively, offering detailed insights into smaller yet critical components of your project. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully managed to display subtasks on your Jira board, an action that refines your project management and boosts productivity. Remember, mastering tools like Jira can significantly enhance your efficiency and control over projects. Thanks for joining me today, and here's to more productive project managing.